Good morning, cyber traders, and happy Monday, and on this Monday hangover day. How's everybody doing? All right, good to see you, Mark Miles. Benito, good to see you. Benito's already rock and rolling with ROKU. Definitely want to check out that thing. Unbelievable stock. Good to see you, Edward. Carrie, good to see you. Kira, Lita, good to see you. And all the cyber traders, hopefully everyone had a good turkey weekend and spent a lot of money this weekend. All that great money that you made trading, that's what it's all about. Doesn't do anything in the bank. But we got to go out and enjoy it. So hopefully you guys had some fun, and hopefully you guys enjoyed some of our Black Friday promotions. We know we got a big Cyber Monday promo. I'll talk a little bit about it at the end of the presentation. But in the meantime, guys, today is probably going to be one of the, it's a very, very interesting Monday. You want to be very careful on a day like today. Today's a type of day when it's the busiest travel day of the year is Sunday and today. So there's really not that much news out there on certain stocks. There are a couple of things that are moving, but nothing of that substantial other than some of them piggybacking on what we traded on Friday. And let me tell you, Friday was, did I tell you Friday was going to be good? So we're going to talk about that Friday trading day. I told you, don't miss out on Fridays, even though it's a half a day in the market. We did pretty well. And you know what? That piggybacking is still going on. NARA. I mean, it's just like, you can't make this stuff up. My God, we were trading the stock at $2, $1.85. Who ever thought it would go to $8? By the way, how many times have we seen this over and over and over again, right? What is this, 2 days ago? That the stock was $1.50, and then we saw those big iceberg wars. Look where it is now, $8.40. Remember what we've learned and what we teach you in class. If you want to be, I know everyone starts out and they think you're a swing trader and an options trader. Listen, you got to learn how to day trade first so you know if it's a swing trade or an option trade, whatever it is. And sure enough, MARA, we did well on the day trade and it spinned over into become a very, very good swing trade. So, and remember, you don't have to be as aggressive. We talk about in class of how to swing trade versus day trade. So anyway, that MARA is doing awesome and it's still making new highs. Remember what we said earlier? We said the stock was $13, so we're probably going to be testing some resistance levels right around where we're at right now. It could probably hit as high as 10, but there's a major brick wall. It's got to break as 12, but that would be pretty cool. All right, so that one made the watch list. A couple other ones I do want to talk about that we traded on Friday. First of all, RIOT. A lot of you remember this one too. We did really well with this one. This one went from $6 all the way to $24. You got to be kidding me, right? Sure enough, no different than NARA. She's picking up some momentum right now. She took a big hit in pre-market. She went from that 24 all the way down to about the 18. She started making a little bit of a comeback right here. Very, very skeptical. Let me tell you, a lot of program trading going on. Not the greatest of high frequency trades, but guys, when you get around stocks like this after a couple of days, and you remember we've been trading the stock at 2, look where it is now, 23. When you get into things like this, they don't become those friendly level 1 stocks anymore. They eventually start to become a 3 and a 4. All right, another one that did pretty well is the SRAX trade. That one was pretty cool the last couple of 2 days. That one went from $4, went as high as 8, up 100%. Now you can see on the long-term chart, a little bit of a brick wall right there. That one was pretty decent. That one worked out pretty well. And then the GROW, the GROW, that one I'm going to put back on the watch list. Listen, 350 stock. Some of you might say, oh, it's already ran. It's at 580. Yeah, what happened to MARA? What happened to RIOT, all of them. So anyway, this one is going to make the watch list again. It's going to spill over from today's markets. Now, what else we got going on? Well, first of all, hopefully a lot of you guys have been listening to the news. It looks like Congress is back to work, and we've been really benefiting from a lot of industries. And I know one of the big industries is the vote's going to be coming up shortly regarding about tax cuts and corporate tax, and we know that that's been factoring in for a while. But one thing that's also making big news, President Trump is considering trying to get rid of Dodd-Frank. All right, and that was one of his big things. And Dodd-Frank put a lot of banks in big trouble. So I would be very cautious and keep an eye on the banking stocks. Okay, see what happens, because that also I think that if we start seeing something happening there, I think the bank stocks could do pretty well. So we'll keep a close eye on those. Now, a couple of the stocks that make the watch list, you could see them coming up over here on the big hot list right here. You got the DPW, this one, Digital Power. This one already went from $2 to $2.90. It's up 263%. Program trading kicked in just about now. Pretty interesting. But remember, the stock we saw, the stock is up, breaking all-time highs. You can see it. Can't even go back further than up than that. But that anyway, the DPW. I know some of you guys capitalized on it, but doing really well. ROKU. The ROKU, we've done great on that stock, and you can see how that stock has kind of really taken off on us. We've been watching stock at 20, went to 45, now it's at 41. It backed off a little bit, but what's interesting? It's holding pretty damn strong. That's the amazing part about it. It's really holding really strong. And I think ROKU, if I'm not mistaken, is in the same business as Netflix, and I think they're competing against them. So, listen, we know what happened in Netflix, so that one's doing pretty well. Another one I found this morning, SSC, cheap little stock, up 50%. You could see it, second biggest percentage gainer, 500,000 shares, breaking 52-week highs. Another really nice one stock right there. Danis's BV resumed, little jump right there. The BV, that one that got halted. Yeah, a little gapped up a little nicely right here, up 13%, 230,000 shares. We'll definitely put that on the watch list. BV. All right, so what do we got? We got MARA, SSC, CPRX, ROKU, ROKU, DPW, GROW, and BV. I think we nailed it. I think it's a lot. Shockingly, I'm actually quite impressed coming back from a hangover longest weekend of the year of Thanksgiving. A lot of stocks are kind of making a little news here, so that's pretty interesting. All right, and now we have a lot of new members that are starting here, guys. So if you are a new Cyber Group member, please remember that. Please check with your education advisor. It should be on your dashboard who your education advisor is. Please talk to them so he can tell you a little bit about it. Watch the videos, and just please keep in mind, if you are a new member, this is not a teaching room. This is a trading room. All right, if you want to learn what everyone's doing here, please talk to the education advisor and tell you a little bit about it. All right, one last thing before we go, guys, regarding about Cyber Monday. Big Cyber Monday package is the Phase 4. Remember, next class on site is on May 2nd to May 4th. You got some great photos. You can meet a lot of the traders. Some of you might be familiar with the students, the staff CTU. This is what you're going to get, what's going to come included with it, with the Phase 4. And then also we're going to go back and have celebrity chef Mike Salak is going to be cooking for us. A lot of you guys met him, and it was quite fun. We had a great time with him. All right, guys? So for some of you who don't know what Phase 4 is, that's when we do all live trading. We trade for 2 days. It's a 3-day event, a fun event. We have a soiree in day 1 and everything, so a lot of fun. Once again, the big promotion, what is on it? Well, it's 25% off, so the on-site is $2,000. It'll be discounted to $1,500. And sold the webcast. So you don't have to pay it in full. You can just leave a deposit and just talk to the education advisor, and I'll get you squared away. And then also, don't forget, there are a couple of Black Friday deals still going on. So don't forget to view the deals of Black Friday here at Cybertrade University. And here you have all your deals. Don't forget to take a look at it. All right, guys, listen. Good luck today. Happy trading. And we'll see you back at 2:30. Once again, Cyber Traders, see something. Say something. All right, guys. Good luck today. Happy trading.